Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video will be showing me do my blunt cut box braids. Now this style was inspired by the beautiful T-Day 6. I had seen her video the first time she posted it about was it 7 months ago or so, and I really loved the style then, but I was not in the mood to get the style done then. So like, yes, this is just the time now. March came along, I'm like, yep, this is what I want right now. So I tried. She used 3 bags and half of the Spectra Ease Braid Air for the style, which I tried to copy, but I guess I have too big of a head to make 3 bags and half work. I did use 3 bags and half actually, but it doesn't look full enough to me. But you know what, it's just one of those things. I used 3 bags and half of the Spectra Ease Braid Air in the color T1B144. T1B144, the ends add more of the color, but then because it's like a blunt cut thing, I chopped off most of the color. And the only thing I did differently actually is that I did use rubber bands on the roots of my braids. Yes, she did not do that. I had rubber bands in the roots of my braids. So that's pretty much it. Blunt box braids, 3 bags and half of the Spectra Ease Braid. Yeah, altogether I have 31 braids in my head. Yes, that's 1 braids in my head, from because I used 3 bags and half. I didn't want to use all 4 bags. 3 bags and half from each of the bags. I got 9 braids. So 9 braids from the first bag, 9 braids from the second bag, 9 braids from the third bag, and 4 braids from the oh god, that's bad English. I was gonna say from the half bag, from half a bag from the half pack I had with me. So 9, 9, 9 and 4 all together, that's 31 braids in my head. So do enjoy the video as I get started.